Alright, good morning everybody. Thomas Grabowski here, founder of the Acne Chef. And I'm jumping on here today to share a little bit of quick meal prep that you can do for the following week. If you guys like great breakfasts, good lunches, and delicious dinners, I'd highly recommend you check out my YouTube channel or even consider purchasing a copy of my cookbook on Amazon. It's available now. Now for today I want to share with you guys a very simple recipe. This is a simple tuna salad, tuna mixture that you can make. It only requires about 5 to 6 ingredients. No cooking involved, it's just a simple meal prep, simple thing you can whip up together. So all you need for this recipe is 1 can of ocean caught tuna. Ideally you want to have your tuna in just plain water or in olive oil. I prefer olive oil because it adds a little bit more flavor into the mixture that I create. Next, you'll need some vegan mayonnaise. You can also use regular mayonnaise, but if you have an intolerance to eggs, I mentioned that eggs can be a potential trigger food for some, so that may be one of the foods you may want to avoid. Then for the seasonings, very simple. We're just using salt and pepper here. Then you'll want to have a little bit of lemon from a lemon juice. And if you have it, which I don't have right now, but I'd highly recommend it, is some green onions. You want about a 1/4 cup of green onions for this recipe as well. Just a little bit for flavor. So I'm just going to take 1 can of tuna, drain it, and put it into the bowl. This is going to be fairly greasy, so especially if you're using the Costco brand, there's a lot of olive oil. Some people complain about that. I like it because typically tuna is very dry, and the oil actually adds a lot of flavor to it, and it makes it less dry. It gives it a little bit more of that kind of juicy flavor to it, so that's why I really like this brand. Next step, very easy, vegan mayonnaise. And you want to add 1 large heaping tablespoon of the mayonnaise. Now all you gotta simply do is get your salt and pepper and season your tuna mixture. And then I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice. I just have a couple lemon wedges here, and I'm just going to add the juice. I'm just probably going to add 1. I don't want it too acidic, but at this point, if you have the green onions, just get a handful of green onions and pour it in. Now all you're going to want to do is take a fork and mix pretty aggressively, vigorously or aggressively with the tuna here. And once your pink tuna turns white, you'll see it white and pink here, that means it's ready to serve. Yeah, so what we can simply do is make a tuna sandwich out of this, tuna salad, even a pasta salad as well. You can make a gluten-free version of that. So there's definitely a lot of variations you can do with this. I typically have this either for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Very easy way to get a lot of healthy protein into your diet as well as healthy fats from the olive oil and as well as the mayonnaise there. Very, very simple. Okay, so what I have here is 2 pieces of gluten-free toast that I made in the toaster, and I added about a teaspoon of organic grass-fed butter. And what I'm simply going to do is add about half or even the entire serving onto 1 slice of toast. So to finish this recipe up, I have my tuna on the bread, I have another piece of toast, and I'm simply going to add some mixed greens here. And again, you can always slice up some tomato slices if you have a whole tomato, and you can put them on here, or you can use some organic, unpasteurized and raw fermented pickles. Slap those on that sandwich, baby, and you get yourself a really, really healthy meal. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, feel free to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And until then, guys, I will see you on my next video. Thank you, and have a wonderful week.